Hello children, how are you? Good evening to all of you. Today we are going to learn mathematics page number 1, geometrical figures. So see here, there are geometrical figures, circles, you know that, circle, triangle, square, and you see geometry starts with the dot. So dot and when two dots we join two dots, it will become a line. Now see here, geometrical figure, and today we are going to learn angles. So we see angles between the ground and what is this? This is slide. You can see here there are two angles. Then here the ladder makes an angle with the ground. Then we see angles between the tree trunk. This is trunk. You can see here trunk and its branches. You can see here branches. Okay. Then there is an angle between the electrical pole and the ground. In our surroundings, wherever we see two lines meeting, there is an angle. Okay. So look at the angles that you can make at your elbow. Elbow. This is our elbow. You can see here elbow. And there are three types of angles. See here, right angle, acute angle, and obtuse angle. So first, see here, we see a right angle between two adjoining slides of a window. Two adjacent sides of book make a right angle. And you can see here there is a clock. In a clock at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, the minute hand and the hour hand are the right angles to each other. You can see here this one and this one. Two right angles are there. In the picture alongside, there is a right angle between the two blades of the scissors. See here. This is right angle. As we reduce the distance between the tips of the blades little by little, see here, and the angles between the blades grow smaller than a right angle. An angle which is smaller than a right angle is called acute angle. This small one you can see here. But as we increase the distance between the tips of the blade, the angle between the blades grow bigger than a right angle. An angle that is bigger than a right angle is called obtuse angle. See here, this is scissor, this is acute angle. This is acute angle. And you can see here, this one is right angle, and this is what? Which angle? Obtuse angle. So there are three types of angles. First is right angle, means you can see the in clock 3 o'clock, then 9 o'clock. This is right angle. And small one acute angle, and this is obtuse angle. You can also see in the clock, there is 10 o'clock. This is what we can say acute angle. Then 1 o'clock acute angle. Then see this timing 9. This is timing 9:40. So 9:40, this is acute angle. 3 o'clock right angle. Then 12:25. This is obtuse angle. So see 8 o'clock also you can see here 8 o'clock. So this is what? Obtuse angle. So circle the make clocks, and then you can show right angle, then acute angle and obtuse angle also. Now this is page number 3. You can see, observe the figures below right angle, acute angle and or obtuse angle in the box below each figure. See here, this is acute angle. This one is right angle. This one is obtuse angle. This one is obtuse angle. And this is acute angle. Okay. Now, this is also make right angles by joining the dots in the box below. You can show this. So see, this is right angle. So you can show this like also from, okay, this is also right angle. Now this is acute angle. So this is also acute angle. You can show like this also. This is acute angle. And obtuse. This is obtuse. So show like this. Then check, is it true? The angle an electrical pole makes with the ground is a right angle. It's a true answer. The slides make an acute angle and one obtuse angle with the ground. This is also true. The ladder makes one acute angle and one obtuse angle with the wall. This is also true. The angle between the thorns of the bubble tree is an obtuse angle. This is false. Leaving the thumb. See, leaving the thumb, the angles between any two adjoining fingers is a acute angle. See this. This is acute angle. Okay, this is also acute angle. So this sentence, this is also true answer. Okay, thank you.